Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using X.R's Grok. X.AI recently unveiled their third iteration of Grok, their AI scheduling assistant. Grok 3 represents a significant leap forward in AI-powered scheduling, boasting impressive new features and enhanced capabilities. This updated version promises to streamline the often tedious process of arranging meetings, freeing up valuable time and boosting productivity. One of the most exciting advancements in Grok 3 is its improved natural language understanding. This allows for more nuanced and complex requests, making scheduling feel even more conversational and intuitive. Users can now communicate their scheduling needs in a more natural way, without having to adhere to rigid commands or specific keywords. Furthermore, Grok 3 offers increased flexibility and control over scheduling preferences. Users can fine-tune their availability, specify preferred meeting times, and even set location preferences with greater precision. This level of customization ensures that meetings are scheduled in a way that aligns perfectly with individual needs and preferences. The new iteration also incorporates smarter conflict resolution. Grok 3 intelligently identifies and resolves scheduling conflicts, proposing alternative times or dates that work for all parties involved. This eliminates the back and forth often associated with scheduling, simplifying the process and minimizing frustration. Beyond the core scheduling features, Grok 3 introduces seamless integration with popular calendar applications. This integration ensures that scheduled meetings are automatically synchronized across different platforms, keeping everyone informed and up to date. X.AI has also emphasized the privacy and security aspects of Grok 3. User data is protected with robust security measures, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential. With its advanced features, intuitive interface, and focus on user privacy, Grok 3 promises to revolutionize the way we schedule meetings. It's a powerful tool that can significantly improve productivity and simplify the often complex task of coordinating schedules. If you're looking for a more efficient and intelligent way to manage your meetings, Grok 3 is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links below.